Did you know aspirin is present in almost all of the acne treatments you find behind the counters? Yes, aspirin. You heard me right. I said aspirin. The common aspirin that you take when you have headaches, mild pain. It is a very active ingredient in acne products, acne fighting products. You want to know how to use aspirin at home to treat acne, to get a glowing skin like my skin? Then keep watching. Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this video of today. If you are new, you are very much welcome. I want to say a big thank you to all my new subscribers. I love you so much. I love you and I'm officially welcoming you to the family. Thank you for joining this family. Thank you for believing in me, and thank you for deciding to subscribe to my channel. I love you so much. So today, without talking too much, let's go right into the reason why we are here. Let's talk about aspirin on the face. Does it work? I would not come and make this video if I haven't tried it. Like, this is something that is very basic. Anybody can try it. I decided to try it. I've been hearing about it. I was ignoring it, but I talked to myself. I said, why not try it? There's no harm in trying. By the way, it's my face. Let me try it on my face. So I went ahead and I tried this mask and it is amazing. Like, I don't know why. I regret why I had not tried it for the past years. Why did I hear about it and ignore it? So please guys, make sure you try this mask. Try it at home and let me know. So this aspirin we are talking about, did you even know that aspirin is present in almost all the acne, in most of the acne treatments we find behind the counters? Yes. You might be wondering, aspirin, I've never seen aspirin as an active ingredient in an acne product. Yes, you have not seen aspirin. But did you know that the salicylic acid that you see in acne products basically is aspirin? Yes, aspirin is salicylic acid. So you can actually sit from the comfort of your home and prepare your own salicylic acid mask. If you don't know, salicylic acid is very effective in treating acne. Very, very powerful acne treatment. Very effective. And now to think that you can buy aspirin from your chemist, from your pharmacy, and you just use it and that is it, voila, and saves you the coin. That's why I say on this channel, we are all about glowing the skin on the budget. So if you were looking out for a beautiful skin like my skin, yes, go and start doing this mask, because I have been trying this mask for the past 2 weeks and it's been hell effective. So what are the benefits of aspirin to the skin? Before I even show you how to use it, aspirin, like I already mentioned, is very effective in treating acne. If you have active acne, do the aspirin trick, the ones I'm going to tell you. Apply it on the acne or the pimple, any pimple that is just popping up your face. Apply it. Don't try to burst the pimples or to prick the pimples. Just let it be. Apply the aspirin mask on it and you will see amazing results. Now, aspirin is also good to exfoliate the face. It is a very gentle exfoliator. To think that your face is very sensitive, you want to be careful with everything you apply on your face. So knowing that you can go to the shop and get an aspirin tablet or some aspirin tablets, crush them and apply on your face, and then that is it. That is a trick. You are going to be coming out with an amazing, smooth and well exfoliated face. When you exfoliate your skin, for those who don't know, you're basically shedding off dead skin cells and letting your skin breathe. So a new skin can be reviewed. Baby skin, glowing skin, flawless skin. So aspirin is a good gentle exfoliator. Aspirin is good in calming redness. If you are one of those people who always have redness around the face, some people when they go under the sun, they discover that their faces are red. They get some annoying redness going around the face. They start looking like palm oil. You don't want that kind of a face. Aspirin is a good treatment for that. Aspirin is good to treat dark scars. You have pimples, acne scars you have been fighting with for years. Try the aspirin method. The The funniest thing is, some of you on this channel, you really want to have a beautiful skin, but you don't want to follow the tricks. There's no way. You want to have a beautiful skin, you must work hard for it. I do my best to bring you very affordable remedies, DIYs, but you don't watch them. Anyway, I can only share them with you. I can't come to your house and force you to use them. And if you don't use them and you only expect that you'll be buying products from the shops, it might take you a whole long time. So you have to have a blend of both products from the shop and DIYs. So boom, let's go to how you can use the aspirin to get good results. First method to prepare the aspirin mask, you can use basically water. Now if you don't have a problematic skin, let's say your skin, you just want to do it as an exfoliator, you are not suffering from any acne scars, you're not suffering from any pimples, no whiteheads, no dark heads, you have a beautiful skin, you just want to exfoliate your skin like every other person is supposed to do, then just get, this is my aspirin, by the way. Let me show you. When I talk of aspirin, the aspirin is not supposed to be coated. It's supposed to be pure aspirin, white as it is, not coated, not capsules. Aspirin the way it is. Crush the aspirin and then put maybe a teaspoon of water. You can get like 3 tablets. Put a teaspoon of water into your three tablets of aspirin, and then mix. Wash your face with lukewarm water. Why lukewarm water? Because you want to open your pores. Apply your mask, and then after 30 minutes, when the mask dries off, wash your face with cold water. Why cold water? Because you opened your pores before applying that mask. So when you're done, when you wash off the mask, make sure you close the pores back with cold water. You understand what I'm trying to say? You might want to wash off the mask with lukewarm water, that's okay, but make sure at the end you apply cold water on your face. You wash your face with cold water so you close your pores, so you don't give room for bacteria and all whatnot. You understand what I'm trying to say? Okay. So if you don't want to use the water method, let's say your face, you have a problematic skin, or your face has some issues but not too mild skin issues, maybe a few pimples, tiny bits of pimples here and there, and you know you are not allergic to honey, the next one you can do is mix honey and aspirin. Crush your aspirin, mix it with honey, apply it on your face, let it sit for 30 minutes, and then wash it off your face. Always remember to start by washing your face with lukewarm water to open your pores, and closing the whole process with cold water to close up your pores. Now, if you are having problematic skin, we are going from stage to stage. If your issues are not very mild, you have some kind of annoying acne, you can use what is this? You can use yogurt. Mix yogurt and aspirin and add a drop of lime. A drop of lemon. Please don't go ahead and use lime. Yeah, lime is very acidic. Lemon is a little bit mild. So use lemon. Put maybe a teaspoon of lemon into your yogurt and then mix with aspirin and apply it on your face. Let it sit for 30 minutes. As soon as you notice that it is dry, your face has completely absorbed the treatment, the mask, wash off your face. Make sure you close your pores with cold water. Then the next method is to use aloe vera. You can use aloe vera. This one is for those who do not have very aggressive skin issues. You can use aloe vera gel. This is my aloe vera here. I brought it here to show you guys if you don't know what aloe vera is. This aloe vera, use the gel, mix it with aspirin. If you live around where you can't lay your hands on aloe vera plant itself, you can use aloe vera gel from the shop, and make sure it's like 99% or 90% of aloe vera. Mix it with your aspirin powder after you've crushed it, apply it on your face, let it sit for 30 minutes or 35 minutes. As soon as you notice it is dry, wash it off and close up your pores. Now the final one, I would say sometimes I'm tempted to say this is the most effective because I feel that lemon is very effective in treating acne as well. But some people are allergic to it. If you're allergic to it, don't use it. Try to use honey. If you're allergic to honey, don't use honey. Try to use aloe vera. If you're allergic to aloe vera, don't use it. Try to use water. At least you will not be allergic to water. And if you're allergic to the mask itself, don't use it. So get aloe vera, mix aloe vera, get lemon, mix lemon with your, add lemon juice to your crushed aspirin powder, apply it on your face, and then let it sit for 35 minutes, 30 to 35 minutes. As soon as you notice it's dry, wash it off. So I took out my time to let you know this because I have tried it and it worked. There's no point not sharing it with you guys. So don't come and start asking me, what do you use on your face, madam? What do you use on your face? Yes, I use all of these things I talk about on this channel. So go and try them and let me know. I love you all and thank you very much for the massive support. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, honestly, I don't know what you're waiting for, but I will just beg you to please subscribe to this channel. Let's grow together. Let's glow together. Stay beautiful. Share the videos with your friends. If you enjoy them, don't forget to leave a thumbs up because I will know you like it and it will motivate me to do such videos for you guys. I love you all and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful. Bye-bye.